Good morning everyone. Myself Aro Patel from Standard 6. Today I got a golden opportunity to share my thoughts on the topic of how much of the brain do the people use. Firstly, we know that what is the brain. Brain is a such part of our body that control coordination system. Brain help us to control all the functions that perform in our body. The brain is a help us to increase our intelligence power. The person who uses only 4% of their brain is called subconscious, and the person who uses only 96% of their brain is called conscience. The Albert Einstein is a great scientist of our country, but he used only 10% of their brain. That's why it's called the father of modern history. That's all. Thank you for today.
First of all, a very good evening to all of you. My name is Anup Kumar, studying class 7. Today I deliver a short speech on the topic of how much of brain do people use. Brain is highly active. Multiple areas are both together and understanding, speech producing. The brain power story is even revealed that he is a genius. It is not determined fact that Albert Einstein used only more than 10% of his brain. Albert Einstein used only 10% of our brain and touch a key of a success and make a great man. Here are many region area involved. First, broadcast area. Broadcast area is located in the frontal lobe. It is a helps forming word and producing speech. Second, workness area. Workness area is located in the temporal lobe. It is a understanding language. And I am last talk about in Hindi a someone line. दिमाग कचरे का डब्बा नहीं जिसमें हम क्रोध, लोभ और जलन जैसी चीज रखें. दिमाग कचरे का डब्बा नहीं जिसमें हम क्रोध, लोभ और जैसी चीज रखें. दिमाग एक खजाना है जिसमें हम प्यार, मोहब्बत, ज्ञान, विज्ञान जैसी और दया जैसी बहुमूल्य चीजें रखें. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.
A lovely evening to all of present here. My name is Sanskar Kumar Soni from class 7, and today I am present here to deliver a short speech on the topic of how much of the brain do the people use. Today I want to talk about a common myth that people use only 10% of their mind. You have been heard this before, but is it really true? The answer is no. According to our scientists, this myth has been wrong. Our brain are highly active and different parts of our brain work together to help us in think, learn and move. In reality, our brain are always working even when we are sleeping. So let's not be worried to use only 10% of our mind. And instead, let's care our mind and use it to learn, grow and achieve our goals. This speech involves multiples of brain. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening everyone and welcome to my presentation. Let me thank you for all coming here today. I am Anjali from Standard 6 and currently study in CBSE Competitive School. Let me start by saying some words about my own backgrounds. As you can see the stage, today our topic is how much of brain do the people use. Brain is the most complex organ in a human body. Many believe that a person only ever use 10% of their brain. However, research suggests people use most of their brain. A person's brain determines how they experience the world around them. In this article, we explore how much of brain people use. We also bust some widely held myths and reveal some interesting facts about the brain. First, the average adult human brain weight is 3 pounds. Second, the brain has a firm jelly-like texture. Third, a brain is made up of 60% fat, 75% water and 10% nurses. Fourth, the brain control through memory, emotion, touch, motor skill and hunger. Fifth and last one, the brain does not have feel pain because it has no pain receptor. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening to all of you. I am Himanshu Prakash from class 7. Today I here to somewhat to say that how much of brain do the people use. In the time the people say that our brain use the only 10% of their brain is a myth. In reality, neuroscientific research that say about the all parts of brain have level of activities in the day, and thus greatest scientist Albert Einstein used their 10% of their brain and got a success. He is a great scientist because he is the famous in the world. Thank you.
Do we actually use only 10% of our brain? Is it a myth or a fact? Good evening everyone and welcome to the CBSE school campus. This is Sadaf Ayaz of grade 7th, currently studying in CBSE competitive school. So today we all are gathered here for the final round of speech competition, and our today's topic is how much of brain do the people use? This idea has been widely shared in books, movies or even by some motivational speakers that we only use only 10% of our brains. But the truth is science tells a very different story. Neuroscientists have proved that nearly every part of our brain has a function, and we use different areas depending on what we are doing. Whether we are moving, thinking, feeling emotion, or even sleeping, different regions of our brain are active. Studies using brain imaging technology such as MRI scans show that no part of our brain is completely inactive. So where did this myth come from? Some people believe it may have started from the early brain research when scientists did not fully understand how certain areas worked. Others think it was a misinterpretation of studies that showed we don't always use our brain's full potential, but that obviously doesn't mean 90% of it is sitting unused. Our brain is an incredible organ capable of learning, adapting, and growing throughout our lives. So instead of thinking how much of it we use, the real question is how can we train our brain to work better? The answer lies in challenging ourselves, reading, solving problems, learning new skills, and staying curious. So let's break the myth and focus on unlocking our brain's true potential. Because the more we learn, the stronger our brains become. That is all for today. Thank you for listening.
They say knowledge is power, but what if I told you that your true power lies in how well we use our brain? Wishing all the respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friend. Good evening, everyone. I am Abhishek, and today I want to suggest you think deeply about the topic. How much of the brain do the people use? You have heard the widespread myth the people use only 10% of the brain. Is there any truth to it? Absolutely not. The scientific research can confirm that we utilize our entire brain, but just not all at once. The human brain is an incredible organ, constantly active when we are asleep. Different reasons are responsible for various functions such as emotion, creativity, it extras. But here's the real question: are we truly maximize our brain potential? But the reality is many of us back with self-doubt, fear, and distractions. The scientists suggest is our power, our ability to learning, thinking, and innovating power is virtually limitless. We just need to challenge ourselves. We can maximize our brain potential in these 4 ways. First, never stop learning. Second, cultivate curiosity. Third, prioritize brain health. Fourth, think analytically. So let's unlock our full potential and make of this most of the incredible gift. That's all for today. Have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant evening to one all presents over here. I am Shamia from Standard 7th, a student of CBSE competitive school. Today I am here to discuss an interesting topic, that is how much of the brain do the people use. You might have heard people say humans is only a small part of their brain, just 10%. But is that really true? Let's find out. The 10% myth. A long time ago, someone started this idea that humans is only a small part of their brain, just 10%. This idea became popular because it sounded very mysterious and fascinating. But scientists who study brain, called the neuroscientists, have proven that is not true. Our brain does not work like that. So how much do we actually use of our brain? We use all part of the brain, even if not all at once. Each part of the brain has a special job. For example, the front part helps us make decisions, solve problems, and think critically. The back part helps us see and understanding things. The middle part helps us move our hand, leg, and other body parts. Even when we are sleeping, our brain is active. It keeps our heart beating, our lung breathing, and process all of the memories. So it's safe to say that our brain is a hard-working machine, running 24/7. Now it's proved that 10% is myth. So why people believe the myth? People believe the myth because some movies and some books look exciting. People gaining superpowers to using more of their brain, but While these stories are fun to watch, our brain does not work like that. And what is the power of brain? Even though we use 100% of our brain, we still don't fully how powerful it is. It controls everything in our body like thinking, talking, learning, and even our emotions. But isn't that amazing? It's the work of our brain. And how to keep our brain healthy? To make sure our brain is work well, we need to take care of it. Here are some ways to make our brain healthy. Eat nutritious food like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Exercise regularly to flow of blood regularly. And at last, I'd like to say that use of your brain, all part of the brain, even if not all at once. That's all. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something new.
The idea that we use only 10% of our brain is a myth. It's often said that we use only 10% of our brain, but that's not true. We use almost every part of our brain, we just resting. Different parts of our brain are active at different times, but all parts are used. Brain imaging technique helps so that we use all parts. Yes guys, welcome back to CBSE Competitive School. Today's speech competition. As I being, it is a pleasure to introduce myself. I am Ananya from grade 7. I am here today because I believe in a power of words and ideas, and I am very excited to share my thoughts on the topic of how much of brain do the people use. Absolutely, the brain is a complex part of the world. This 3-pound organ is the set of intelligence, first, interpreter of senses, second, intivator of body movement, and third, in last, the controller of behavior. Laying in its bony cell and washed by protective fluid, the brain is the source of all the quantities that define our humanities. The brain, complex organ that control our emotions, memory, hunger, and every process that regulate our body. Through the brain and spinal cord that extend from it make up the central nervous system. In last, the brain is about 60% fat. The remaining 40% is the combination of water, protein, carbohydrate, and salts. The brain itself not a muscles. The brain is one of the hardest working organ in our body. When the brain is healthy, it functions quickly and automatically. But when problem can occur, the result can be devastating. Thank you for my listening speech.
Very evening, good morning, and my all present here. My name is Subham Kumar Gupta, Standard 7, and my speech topic name is how much of brain do the people use? What is brain? Brain is a human body is a important, and brain is our other activities, playing, sleeping, eating, and other activities. Brain are used 10% people use in your brain. Brain as self our brain. Human brain are 10% are Albert Einstein's are used in brain 10%. That's all. Thank you.
The things which give us knowledge for what we do, what we not do, what is right and what is wrong. That is a brain. Yes guys, welcome back in CBSE Competitive School. Today we all present here in a speech competition. I am Aisha from grade 7, currently studying in CBSE Competitive School. Today I stand before you to share my thoughts on the topic of how much of brain do the people use. So first of all, we should discuss on the brain. Our brain is a very wonderful and important part of our body. It helps us learn, think and remember the things. Without our brain, we could not be able to feel the emotions, move or have thoughts. Our brain is like a computer. It takes all information, processes it, and then gives us answer. It solves our problems, make decisions, and help in movement. It also very good at learning and remembering. It also helps us remember the important things such as name, address, and phone number. Our question is front, and this topic is what is the function of brain in our body? So the answer is very easy and clear. That's the brain act on the body's control center, receiving, interpreting, and directing response to sensory information. It integrates data from various sources, take decision, and controlling bodily functions. Then we are going to discuss on our basic point. That is how much of our brain do we actually use? So almost of it. While it's true that in some areas the brain may be more active at this certain time. In fact, the research has shown that the brain is capable of reorganizing itself to respond to injury or disease process known as neuroplasticity. In this conclusion, the idea that we use 10% of our brain is a myth that has been debunked by modern neuroscience. But in reality, the brain imaging techniques like fMRI and PET scans that have shown the different areas of the brain are active at the different times even when we are performing simple tasks. And last, I want to give the information behind this speech, that this speech is based on scientific research or data, but it's not intended to be a comprehensive or technical review of the topic. The goal is to provide a clear and easy overview of the myth and current state of knowledge. That's all. Thank you.